Hey guys, Johnny here. Welcome to Thailand. Welcome to my home. Today we are riding Rebel 1100 to a sushi and burger house restaurant along the eastern Thai coast. So I hope you guys enjoy the ride. Stay tuned and see you on the beach. Look like today we are really lucky. Look this clear sky. Almost 3 months raining non-stop, flooding some cities, some province, and as you can see, look this sky. What a beautiful sky. Beautiful day for a ride. It's so beautiful today. How this is a step? Oh, the scene is so clear. As you guys can see, the water was extremely clear, and that's not usual even here in Thailand. It's not every day that you can find the water looking so clear like this. Usually it's after a stormy day or a stormy week. On the next day is always gorgeous like this. So we stop here for a while, we take some pictures, we did some videos, and later we continue our ride to the city named Ban Phe, where we got to order our food. One, two, three. nakikita dapat. So before this business was just a sushi house that opened I think 1 or 2 years ago, and Pier Café was another business, was a, like the name says, was a Pier Café that they have basically foreigner fast foods, burgers and things like that. And Pier Café bought this sushi business that was for sale last year and put everything together, and now is Pier Café and Sushi House that basically they sell sushi and burgers. And in my opinion, they are the best burgers in town here in Ban Phe, Rayong, Thailand. Very good. Oh, my girlfriend just did sushi. Light. This is a perfect example between the Asian and the foreigner. This is Australian beef burger, one of the best burgers in town. Around 200 bahts. That's around $6 or $7, I think. So guys, thank you very much to watch till here. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a short ride since my home in district of Kram, Rayong, till Ban Phe, where we stop here to eat basically, as you saw, a burger and sushi. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry, I apologize since now for my lack of English skills, but I believe I can improve a lot doing this kind of videos and talk to you guys. And that's it. If you are new around here, subscribe my channel. I have a lot of more videos coming about on the Rebel 1100. I have a few other motorcycles at home. If you're interested, I can make content about them too. I have on the Forza 300, I have a Honda automatic as well, NC 750 DCT, and I own a little small scooter, a Scomadi 125. Oh, and my girlfriend owns a Vespa Primavera. So that's it. See you later.